Hello everybody, this is Cuddles. I am so glad to come to you. I'm telling you, it's been an amazing week. I wanted to make sure that my Cuddle Kiddies, of course, didn't miss our story time. They love reading books. And so Cuddles is coming to read. This is what we're calling Cuddles Read. And I saw my Cuddle Kitties on Monday. And of course, they've been home Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But today is Friday, and I couldn't wait to touch base with everybody. So, hey, this is for all my Cuddle Kitties, and this is for you. If you're not a Cuddle Kitty, you are right now because you're tuned in, and I have a great story for everybody that's listening. So, I came to tell you that God made you special. And the Veggie Tales. Remember the Veggie Tales? This was they were great about telling great stories. So the Veggie Tales are coming to help me talk about how God made you special. I think He made me special too. So anyway, here it is. God made you special. So I'm Larry the Cucumber, and I'm here to say that God made me special in His own special way. So Larry, the cucumber, remember his name, he thinks God made him special. And you're special too. It's the news of the day. We're special because that's how God made us. It's true. There's no one exactly like you. God made me special by making me green without any hips, he says, and I'm tall and I'm lean. God made us all special. It's part of His job. And to say how He's special, He's my friend, Bob. Here is Bob. Remember Bob? Who is this? That's right. And who is this? Bob. All right. You guys are really listening. Yes, it's true. I'm special. I cannot deny it. To say how I'm special is tough, but I'll try it. There are so many ways. It's a rather large number. For one thing, I'm friends with a talking cucumber, and I bounce when I walk. That's what he says. And I have a round shape. We know what round looks like. It's like that, right? And so do the peas. Do you like peas? And so does Pa Grape. Remember Pa Grape? God made them green, but not me. No, instead, God made me special by making me, what color is that? Red. That's good. See, everyone's special in a different way. Everyone's special in a different way. Let's hear from some others and see what they say. Okay, are you listening? Hello, boys and girls. We are Z French peas. That's what he says. And we'll tell you how special we are. If you please, like Larry, we're green, and like Bob, we are round. But our specialness lies in our French sounding sound. We speak with Z accent, of which we are very proud. It makes us stand out from Z non-accent crowd. Look at there. They stand out. And I'm Archie Asparagus. Do you like asparagus? Actually, I don't. Bookish and lean, like most other veggies, I'm also quite green. Like Larry, I have neither hips nor a chin, so God made me special by making me thin. That's a rhyming word. My name is Pa Grape, and I'm special too. I wear a white mustache and glasses. Do you? Uh-oh, Cuddles wear glasses. Look at there. I'm Madame Blueberry. Look at her. She's beautiful. I live in a tree along with 6 birds and 1 small bumblebee. See that bumblebee right there? I'm round just like Bob and the peas and Pa Grape. So I'm not very special because of my shape. then how am I special? It's all in my hue. God made me special by making me blue. You see how blue she is? Now let's turn our attention from Madame Blueberry to two of my good friends named Jimmy and Jerry. What are their names? Jimmy and Jerry. Let's see who they are. Hi, my name is Jimmy. And he's my and he's my brother Jerry. So this is Jimmy, this is Jerry. Like Bob, we're good friends with a pickle named Larry. But Bob's shape is round and we're shaped more like drops. So we're wide at the bottom and thin at the top. Remember, this is the top, this is the bottom. I'm your cucumber, not a pickle, he says. Hi, boys and girls. My name, Laura Carrot. God made me special, and I'm dying to share it. I love those rhyming words. For one thing, I'm orange. Look at my shirt. It's kind of orange, too. For one thing, I'm orange. I'm told that's quite rare. And I wear a bow in my bright yellow hair. Look at there. That's what girls do. Girls like to wear bows in their hair. It's true, we're all special, and I hope you had fun. But now, because we're running out of time, we are done. Oh, wait a minute. My name's Mr. Lunt. What? Now it's my turn. I've come to the front because I'm special too. And now I'm special? He says, well, how am I special? Well, I give you a hint. My eyes are quite teeny because I just squint. Let me see you squint your eyes. You squint your eyes and you make them very teeny. And let's see what he says. So remember that God made you special. Please do. I just wouldn't say it if it weren't true. That's it for this book now. I think we are through. So in closing, I'd just like to say, toodle-doo. Can you say that? Toodle-doo. So this book was a great book, and it was about how God made all of us special. Just think about it. What about you is special? Like the people in the VeggieTale book. What makes you special? Thank you so much for letting me read, but I want to say one more thing. I want to say to all of my Cuddle Kitties, be good while you're at home. Help mommy and daddy. I know you got your toys all over the place, but clean up, obey. Remember, that's a word we use. Obey means to do everything the adults tell you to do. That's good things. Pick up your toys. And by all means, eat your vegetables. I say that every day when we're at Cuddles. Eat your vegetables. Some of you like broccoli and peas and green beans and spinach and all kinds of green. And some of us like salads. Those are green vegetables too. Eat your vegetables. Stay healthy. And I will see you later. Okay, guys? Bye-bye. Cuddles loves you. Bye-bye.